everyone, it's that time again. It's time for another Spam video where I make something with Spam and it's going to be really super delicious. Let's see what we're going to make. We're going to be making mini Spam, I just learned how to pronounce this now, I forgot. What is it? Arepas. There's basically a little mini appetizer, so we are going to be making this as appetizer for our dinner. Now, there's some slight alterations. They want us to have the Spam, focus, chorizo. Chorizo kind of messes with us, so I don't have Spam chorizo. I just have regular light Spam like I always do, but that's okay. I also don't have, I also don't have an avocado. I don't have queso fresco, so we're going to make do with what we do have, which is cheese, regular, just shredded cheese. We do have eggs, and we have everything else. Okay. All right, we have corn flour. All right, so you're going to put in like 1 cup, mix it around until you make like a nice little, until you start making some nice patties. You're going to add water until it starts to basically combine together. You're going to be forming them into little patties like this. All right, so I'm using cornmeal instead of corn flour. I realize that, and so we'll see how it comes out according, if it's close enough to the recipe. This is just, the recipe is a guideline, just a guideline. I don't have to do it exact, just however it's gonna work out, whatever you got on hand. I'm frying up the Spam and the tomatoes together. The recipe does not say to do this. But guess what? I'm going rogue from this recipe. It's not even the same. It was an inspiration. Okay, so what I did is I took the little cornmeal patty, it's down below, and then I actually mixed the eggs in with the Spam and the tomatoes, and then I put a little shredded cheese on top. This actually looks really freaking good. Oh me, this is I don't know what to call it now. Put your comment down below about what we should call this beautiful creation inspired by this, which is nothing like this, but that's okay. We've created something new, different, inspired. Okay, so I got a little bit of everything here. I don't know if you can see that. That was a great shot of my mouth you got there. That was delicious. It's like a little corn, meaty. This could be like a little breakfast. Got that crunch. The avocado would really make this though. Tell you what. This is really good, whatever I created. So, this book did come from the Spam cookbook, but obviously I used it as inspiration to veer off into my own rogue Spam dish. I'm going to put my kind of what I did in the description. This is a part of the SPAMtember collaboration. Be sure to be commenting on all of the SPAMtember playlists down below. All of the SPAMtember videos so that you can be entered to win a giveaway that Preparedness is doing. It's a Spam slicer. Well, it's technically a meat slicer, but it's really good for Spam. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Spam, Spam, Spam. Okay, bye.